Good morning. You are welcome to Wanies Academy. This is our biology class, and today we'll be talking on kingdom of life. All organisms are divided into three basic domains, which include the bacteria, archaea, and eukaryota. The eukaryotes are organisms with a definite nucleus and nuclear material. The bacteria are unicellular organisms that don't have a definite nucleus, but they have their genetic materials in plastids, while archaea are also microscopic or multicellular organisms. These three domains of life can be further grouped into 5 kingdoms, which includes Protista, Monera, Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. Let's start with kingdom Protista. Protists are unicellular microscopic organisms. They are eukaryotic. That means they have a definite nucleus and a nuclear material. They are different from fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. And protists are primarily aquatic. They live in water bodies. They can be beneficial. They can also be what? Saprophytic. Now, they can be in form of animals. They can also be plant-like. The animal-like protists are known as protozoans. The Trypanosoma gambis is a good example of protist that causes the Gambian sleeping sickness. Another good example of protist is the Plasmodium. Plasmodium is a parasite for the malaria fever, which is carried by the female Anopheles mosquito. Another good example of protist is the Phytophthora infestans. These are protists found in plants, which cause the blight of potatoes, the disease in plants. These are various examples of protists. We have amoeba, Iglina, Chlamydomonas, etc. We now move to the kingdom fungi. The fungi are eukaryotic. They have a definite cell nucleus. That is, their genetic materials are carried in the nucleus. They are carried in the chromosomes out in the nucleus. They can be microscopic or multicellular. Microscopic in the sense that they are so tiny and can be seen with the aid of a microscope. Now, these fungi can be beneficial. They can also be harmful in nature. For example, the Agaricus biporus is a beneficial fungi known as mushroom. Mushroom is edible. Some species of mushroom are edible, and they are a good source of protein to man. We also have the Saccharomyces cerevisiae. These are a specific fungi found in yeast. Yeast is used by the bakers in baking bread, and they are also used in the beer manufacturing industry. Another example of the fungi is the Candida albicans. This is yeast that infects humans. This type of yeast are infectious because infectious diseases. These are various examples of fungi. Another kingdom is the kingdom Monera. Moneras include the bacteria and archaea. The bacteria are prokaryotic in nature. That means they don't have a definite nucleus. Their cells lack a nucleus, but their genetic materials are housed in plasmids. Their DNA are housed in plasmids. They can be microscopic in the sense that some of them are so minute that they cause diseases. The Staphylococcus aureus is a very good example of Monera. It's a bacteria that infects humans with the staph disease. Staph is a sexually transmitted infection. Other bacteria include the Escherichia coli, which is helpful in the guts of humans. This is also a bacteria that aids digestion in the digestive tracts of humans. These are various examples of bacteria. We have the Streptococcus. We have the Vibrio cholerae. The Vibrio cholerae is found in housefly. The Vibrio cholerae is parasitic in nature. It causes the cholera fever as transmitted by the housefly. Another kingdom is the animal kingdom. The animal kingdom is one of the largest kingdoms in existence. The animal kingdom can be further divided into vertebrata and invertebrata. Vertebrates are organisms with backbones, while invertebrates are animals without backbones. The fishes, the mammals, the birds are good examples of vertebrates, while the insects, the myriapods, the crabs, are examples of invertebrates are not bony in nature. All animals are eukaryotic in nature. That means they have a definite cell content carried in what? The nucleus. Their DNA is carried in what? The nucleus. So their cell has the nuclear material. You can have microscopic animals. We also have what? Multicellular animals as seen in the chart. Another kingdom is the plant kingdom. The plants are also eukaryotes, but the major difference between the plant and animal is that the plant has a rigid cellulose cell wall. So the cell wall of the plant gives them their rigid structure, while the animals have the cell membrane. Now, most green plants are autotrophic in nature. That means they have the ability to manufacture their food. They manufacture their food through the process of photosynthesis. So all green plants that have chlorophyll manufacture their food through the process of photosynthesis. So the plants are known as autotrophs, which other animals or plants known as heterotrophs depend on for their food. Now, like I said earlier, the plants are also eukaryotic. They have a definite nucleus. For example, you have the algae, which are microscopic or multicellular plants. You have the phytoplanktons found in water bodies. These are microscopic plants that serve as a basis for the production of food in the water bodies. So all in all, we have 5 basic kingdoms. We have kingdom Protista, which includes the microscopic amoeba, Chlamydomonas paramidon. We have kingdom Fungi, which includes the yeasts, which can be beneficial or harmful. We have kingdom Monera, which includes all bacteria and archaea. We have kingdom Animalia, which includes all animals, bony or not bony, vertebrates or invertebrates. And we have kingdom Plantae, which includes all seed-producing plants and seedless plants. Thank you for having me. Until we meet next time, bye for now.